We have all your rain gear for you. Do you want your rain gear?
I'm good for right now, thanks. Good.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's fully hailing.
Sure you don't want rain gear? No, it's perfect. Anything, let's take this off. Alright, ASAP, let's go. Let's get it. Woo!
This is crazy. This is wild.
Bicycling in a lightning storm is in general dangerous. And
Yes.
since you're not in an enclosed conductive cage, you have nothing to protect you at all.
If we see lightning, we're getting them off. Yeah! Welcome to action cinematography!
How did it feel out there? Was it halting you?
Yeah, it started to hurt a little bit. It's not really lightning right now. The rain stops in 11 minutes and then it starts again 20 minutes later.
So should we wait for 11 minutes? Okay, so let's wait for 10 minutes.
Stop. Let's do it.
Stop like Dark Sky said.
Do it. Shout out Dark Sky, an amazing weather app.
It's really impressive. I love how it amped him up. Some people would just be like, no, I'm freaking done. And he's like, yes.
So silly.
He's dealing with both wind and weather. I guess wind is weather. He's dealing with wind and rain.
And climate, maybe?
And climate? I don't know. I guess it's only drizzling now, which is good.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's Brennan here. It's the Walk on America campaign. We're biking across the country. This is what we're doing. We're trying to support this community and we need your help. We have to raise this money and it takes a village. Please go to www.walkonamerica.org and spread the word. We have this $1 million goal to help this group and we need your help to get that done. So please check out the website, please spread the word, and we're gonna keep on rolling. All right, peace.